So Somfy is a worldwide group who's producing motors, but also automation systems. What we do is controlling solar shading in bigger buildings. We make sure the people in the building are comfortable. Before we had CPQ, each country used other tools to make their quotations. So we were sending out quotes with maybe some wrong prices, but also with different descriptions on it. That's a real problem when you're sending out quotes on a daily basis. Now that we have CPQ, we can see that each country makes the same quote. Each country uses the same bundles, they use the same part numbers, they use the same descriptions, all translated in their own languages, of course. Only 20% of our quotes was followed up, so we were losing business. We were just quoting and then waiting for the customer to connect to us. Oracle provided the solution by the quote price configure tool, which gives the price for this given customer, and it's always the correct price. The Oracle solution is completely integrated in our Salesforce. Another valuable benefit is that we can easily do upselling. When we add services to our quotes, customers start buying it. A huge benefit for our customers because they are treated more actively. We saw a huge increase of 200% of maintenance contracts in the last year. That's a major increase where we have a long-term connectivity with the customer. It makes me feel great that we can have a solution where we can rely on.